how's it going? This is gonna be my first video on Diablo 2. I'm gonna show you how to find and install Hero Editor for Diablo 2. First, go to www.newd2event.net. Gonna have this page here. There's gonna be a cow as the icon. I don't know why, but you're gonna scroll down, find single player, and click on editors. Scroll down again and you'll find Hero Editor. Click it, then download it. Another page will pop up, just press download again. I'm going to save it. Save. Open where you've saved it. Then we are going to extract it. Go in the folder and install. It's going to install. So this is what's going to come up. You're going to find a directory. You can change where it installs, or you can just press the computer. It'll install and press continue. Once it's done, you'll say you have successfully installed it, and okay. And that's really it. Thanks for watching. I put the website in the description. Look there. Any questions, just ask me. Thanks for watching again, and watch other videos. Thank you.